In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create stop-motion animation activities in Google Slides. To begin, open Google Slides and go to the slide where you want your animation to start. The first thing you need is your starting object, which can be a picture, a character, a shape, or any image you want to animate. At the top menu, select Insert, then choose Image. From here, you can upload an image from your device or use Search the Web to find one. Once the image is on your slide, take a moment to place it exactly where you want the animation to begin. This first slide acts like frame 1 in a stop-motion sequence, so placement matters. Next, you will create your next frame by duplicating the slide. On the left side, find the slide thumbnail in the sidebar. Right-click it and choose Duplicate. You should now have an identical copy directly below the original. And that is important because it preserves the background and everything else on the slide. Now, on the duplicated slide, click your object and move it slightly. For better control and smooth movement, use your keyboard arrow keys to nudge the object a small amount at a time. Small moves create a smoother stop-motion effect, while bigger jumps will look more choppy. After that, repeat the same pattern for the rest of your animation. Duplicate the most recent slide, then move the object slightly again. Keep repeating until you have as many frames as you need to show the full motion. Try to be consistent with how far you move the object each time, especially if you want the movement to look steady. Once your frames are ready, you will publish the slideshow so it plays automatically like an animation. Go to File, then Share, and choose Publish to the Web. In the Publish settings, set Auto Advance to every second, which is the minimum option and works well for a simple stop-motion effect. Before you copy the link, make sure you select Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads, and also restart after the last slide. These settings help your animation begin right away and loop continuously. Finally, copy the link that Google Slides provides and use it to play or share your stop-motion animation activity. And that is all there is to it.